Welcome! In front of me I have Lenovo Smartwatch S2 and I'm gonna show you how to change the time format on this device. Before we start, if you want to change the time format on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Lenovo Smartwatch application. Once the devices are paired, we can continue and open the Lenovo Smartwatch application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the application, you should see the health data page. Now tap on the personal center, select your watch S2 from the list of devices, and now you should see the device page for your watch S2. On this page, scroll down, and here you should see the time format option, and you can select 24 hours or 12 hours. Now, at the moment it's the 24-hour format. You can see the AM right here at the end of the time, but we can select 24-hour, then wake up the screen again, and as you can see the AM will be gone. That means that the time format switched to the 24-hour format. And of course, if you want to have 12-hour format, simply select 12, like this. And once you're done, you can close the app. And that's how you change the time format on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.